This is a 2003 Z06 Corvette, and it belongs to a friend of mine, and he's been working on it all winter, and he's performed several upgrades to it, and one of his projects was to upgrade the seats, and as you can see, it turned out really awesome. I like the way the new seats look, and he had the old seats left over, and he was wondering what should he do with them, so he asked me if it would be possible to turn them into some type of a lounge chair, and that sounded like a fun welding project to me, so let's get started. All right, so I got the roll-around bases made for the seats, and I'm really happy with the way they turned out. I still need to add armrests on each side of the base, and I want to dress this up a little bit. I don't want to have just plain tube steel on these, so I'm thinking about breaking out the CNC plasma and making something for the front and the sides. So I've got the seats mounted to the bases that I have made, and they actually turned out to be some pretty comfy lounge chairs. I kind of hope my friend doesn't like them because I'd like for him to stay here at my house for a little while. All of the reclining features of the seats work. I can recline this one all the way back, and one of the things I was worried about is if I reclined it all the way back, I was afraid maybe it would flip over backwards with me, and that is not the case. And this is the driver's seat chair, and it has electric motors in it to move it forward and backwards. And I did try to take a 12-volt power tool and wire it into the seat so that I could move these motors using the switch here on the side, but I wasn't able to do that. I believe that the seat has to be plugged into the computer of the car to work. I'm not really sure. So if somebody out there knows how to make this work without being plugged into the car, please let me know down in the comments below. So that pretty much wraps up this project. I do want to say that my original idea for this was to build a Corvette couch. That way it'd be like you're sitting in the car, and I would have a little center console right here with drink holders. But my buddy said he just didn't have enough space for something like that at his house. If you liked the video, please give me that big thumbs up, smash that like button. And if you aren't a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell so you don't miss any upcoming Making Stuff videos. And thanks for watching.